for coming to my karaoke party, and thank you for saving up 50,000 channel points across not even 2 weeks, I think. You guys are crazy. Um, I'm so excited. I'm not that nervous, though I had to go pee like 4 times before stream, so I mean, maybe I'm a little nervous, but like it's not that bad. I'm feeling fairly calm. Um, honestly, my oh wait, also first, thank you for being first today, Anava, and thank you so much for being second, Blaze. I'm really excited. You guys, if the singing is awful, I ask kindly that you just mute the tab, mute the stream, leave it up. Don't exit out. No, no, no. Just mute it. Turn it down. It would really help out if you would just stay for viewership. But like, if you want to mute, more power to you. That's all I'm saying. My biggest fear is that we're going to disturb the scientists. Like, obviously, I've set up this karaoke room as best I can, but we don't have any like superior, you know, soundproofing of the room. So, my biggest fear is that one of them comes in and bangs on my door and is like, turn it down, or like, stop singing. Because obviously the music's coming into my headphones, not into the apartment. Um, so, one time, let me tell you why I have this fear. The last and only time I have ever gone to do karaoke, like at a karaoke place, I had a worker while I was belting out Beyonce, fairly well, mind you. A worker came and knocked on the door and opened it and was like, "Can I see your mic for a second?" And I was like, "Sure. Is there something wrong?" And he fiddles with the mic and he hands it back to me and just goes, "It was a little too loud." And then he leaves. What? What do you mean? Like, I was just singing my heart out and you said it was too loud? I'm at a karaoke place. Isn't that the point? Who was I disturbing? Like, come on. You're on your phone at the front. Just get some noise canceling headphones. Let me live my life. I was hitting all those high notes in Love on Top, I'll have you know. Welcome, Michael, cuties. Lurky's in a joke. What did the soup say to their partner? When I'm with you, I forget everything else. It makes me so happy being with you. Yum. That makes me hungry. All right, well, let me turn the karaoke mic on, and you guys will get a little bit of reverb. If there's like terrible audio balance issues, please let me know. But we will be singing for about an hour. I've got a lineup of songs that is basically just my Spotify likes and things I've been listening to and singing lately, along with a few hit classics that I just know how to sing decently. I'm so nervous. But I think this is gonna be really fun, and afterwards we'll play Nier. I'm gonna cut the VOD while we're in a Be Right Back screen, so don't worry, I'll remind you to refresh. Everything will be good, and you can get a bonus treat today. A bonus treat. Brianne, thank you so much. I'm so happy to have so many people coming over from Twitter and YouTube. It really means a lot that you stop by and check out my channel. Thank you so much. I'm sorry for the singing you're about to hear. Maybe mute the stream. All right. Well, should we get started? I think we should. I'll do my best. We're gonna save the best songs for last. So if you want to hear my best work, you'll have to stay till the very end. There's really no rhyme or reason to the order in which I should sing these songs. So, you know what? Let's start out with this one. This is the one. Okay. All right. Why am I so nervous? I just gotta do it. I just gotta do it. It's not in the way that you hold me. It's not in the way you say you care. It's not in the way you've been treating my friends. It's not in the way that you stay till the end. It's not in the way that you look or the things that you say that you'll do. Hold the line. Love isn't always on time. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold the line. Love isn't always on time. It's not in the words that you told me, girl. It's not in the way you say you're mine. It's not in the way that you came back to me. It's not in the way that your love set me free. It's not in the way you look or the things that you say that you'll do. Hold the line. Love isn't always on time. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold the line. Love isn't always on time. I listen to this song like every day. It'll get better as we go. I'm always nervous at the start. It's not in the words that you told me. It's not in the way you say you're mine. It's not in the way that you came back to me. It's not in the way that your love set me free. It's not in the way you look or the things that you say that you'll do. Hold the line. Love isn't always on time. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Love isn't always on time. Love isn't always on time. Hold the line. Love isn't always on time. 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 Whoa, whoa, whoa. I hope everything was lined up because I spent like 45 minutes yesterday trying to get my audio to sync with my model, to sync with the music, to sync with the karaoke. Whoa, now. To sync with the karaoke on the screen. Yeah, it's a warm-up. That was a warm-up. Should we wait, maybe we should sing this one next. This is my stream. You thought it was by Queen? I think that's a fair assumption. I also did not know that was a Toto song until I started listening to Toto a lot more, and I was like, damn, they got hits. I found the biggest water bottle that I could and filled it up with water. And got a straw. Well, I will keep hydrated. All right. If there's one thing you need to know about Rolly, it's that she actually loves the Talking Heads. I love the Talking Heads. So I thought this one would be fun to do. Though I've never sang it for karaoke. So yeah, please enjoy. And you may find yourself living in a shotgun shack. And you may find yourself in another part of the world. And you may find yourself behind the wheel of a large automobile. And you may find yourself in a beautiful house with a beautiful wife. And you may ask yourself, well, how did I get here? Letting the days go by, let the water hold me down. Letting the days go by, water flowing underground into the blue again. After the money's gone, once in a lifetime, water flowing underground. And you may ask yourself, how do I work this? And you may ask yourself, where is that large automobile? And you may tell yourself, this is not my beautiful house. And you may tell yourself, this is not my beautiful wife. Letting the days go by, let the water hold me down. Letting the days go by, water flowing underground into the blue again. After the money's gone, once in a lifetime, water flowing underground. Same as it ever was. 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 Water dissolving and water removing. There is water at the bottom of the ocean. Under the water, carry the water. Remove the water at the bottom of the ocean. Water dissolving, water removing. Letting the days go by, let the water hold me down. Letting the days go by, water flowing underground into the blue again, into the silent water. Under the rocks and stones, there is water underground. Letting the days go by, let the water hold me down. Letting the days go by, water flowing underground into the blue again. After the money's gone, once in a lifetime, water flowing underground. You may ask yourself, what is that beautiful house? And you may ask yourself, where does that highway go to? And you may ask yourself, am I right or am I wrong? And you may say to yourself, my God, what have I done? Letting the days go by, let the water hold me down. Letting the days go by, water flowing underground into the blue again, and to the silent water. Under the rocks and stones, there is water underground. Letting the days go by, let the water hold me down. Letting the days go by, water flowing underground into the blue again. After the money's gone, once in a lifetime, water flowing underground. Same as it ever was, the same as it ever was, same as it ever was. Well, look where my hand was. Time isn't holding up, time isn't after us. Same as it ever was, the same as it ever was, the same as it ever was. Let me same as it ever was, same as it ever was. Letting the days go by, same as it ever was. Yeah, the twister comes, here comes the twister. Same as it ever was, same as it ever was, same as it ever was, same as it ever was. Once in a lifetime, hold me down. I love that song. It's so fun. Have you guys heard that song before? I'm wondering if any of you have actually heard that song. Just checking. I should hope that you've heard it on the radio like one time, or like your dad played it. It's dad music. Brian Neal, thank you so much for subbing at tier 1. Enjoy your emos. Good morning, Days. This is quite the wake-up call. That was the first time you've heard it? Never? None of you? Oh my god, we need music education. Chat, we need music education. You need... Oh my god. None of my followers listen to the Talking Heads. I'm gonna have... I don't know how to cope with this. All right, music education day. First of all, I have to apologize that was the first time you've ever heard that song, and that you should really go and listen to the actual song, because it's a banger. Don't let me into them? Okay. You and Anava. Y'all are so funny. Oh my god. Okay, well, maybe, I hope to goodness you've heard this song. What if I like your version? We need to get your ears checked. Maybe we should have a music channel in the Discord. Do we already have a music channel? I don't actually know. Oh, wait! I had both my mics turned on by accident. Wait, it's been duplicated this whole time and nobody said anything? Uh-oh. Okay, well, anyways. Shania Twain! Surely you've heard this one. Let's go, girls. Come on. I'm going out tonight. I'm feeling alright. Gonna let it all hang out. Wanna make some noise, really raise my voice. Yeah, I wanna scream and shout. No inhibitions, make no conditions. Get a little out of line. I ain't gonna act politically correct. I only wanna have a good time. The best thing about being a woman is the prerogative to have a little fun and go totally crazy. Forget I'm a lady, mid shirts, short skirts. Really go wild, yeah, doing it in style. Get in the action, feel the attraction. Color my hair, do what I dare. I wanna be free, yeah, feel the way I feel. And man, I feel like a woman. Hey! The girls need a break tonight. We're gonna take the chance to get out on the town. We don't need romance, we only wanna dance. We're gonna let our hanging down. The best thing about being a woman is the prerogative to have a little fun and go truly crazy. Forget I'm a lady, mid shirts, short skirts. Really go wild, yeah, doing it in style. Get in the action, feel the attraction. Color my hair, do what I dare. I wanna be free, yeah, feel the way I feel. Man, I feel like a woman. Oh yeah, the best thing about being a woman is the prerogative to have a little fun. Fun. Go totally crazy. Forget I'm a lady. Mid shirts, short skirts. Really go wild, yeah, doing it in style. Get in the action, feel the attraction. Color my hair, do what I dare. feel like a woman. Hey! Oh yeah, hey, totally crazy. Can you feel it? Come, come, come on, baby. Woo, woo. Feel like a woman. Surely you guys knew that one. How do you not know the Talking Heads song? I'm devastated. Oh, Nini's here. Oh no. I don't want anyone I know personally to be here. You can sing with me. You can sing out loud. Just turn it up. I feel like a woman now? Perfect. We've achieved our goal. I am bad at singing. I'm not good at singing. The worst is yet to come. Let's sing. Let's take it back. Let's take it back a bit. Oh my gosh, Brian Neal, thank you so much. Thank you so much for 5 gifted subs. Thank you. Enjoy your emotes. Kazuna, Luxray Primal, Prismatic, Mikey, and 1TS BLT. Enjoy your emotes. Please, thank you so much. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for gifting 5 tier 1 subs. Thank you, Blaze. Enjoy your emotes of Bacon, Mickey Luz, Noonlight, Totororon, and Yaboy. Thank you. Thank you. For that, I will sing a golden oldie. I love this song. What? Bacon! Oh my god, you guys gotta stop paying it forward. Thank you so much for the 5 gifted subs. Enjoy your subs, Rainer, Nini, Aham, Stoana, and Fruity. Enjoy your emotes. Thank you so much for gifting subs, everyone. Thank you. I sing now. Thank you. I walk along the avenue. I never thought I'd meet a girl like you. Meet a girl like you. With auburn hair and tawny eyes. The kind of eyes that hypnotize me through. You hypnotize me through. And I ran so far away. I just ran, I ran all night and day. I couldn't get away. A cloud appears above your head. A beam of light comes shining down on you. Shining down on you. The cloud is moving nearer still. Aurora Borealis comes in view. Aurora comes in view. And I ran so far away. I just ran, I ran all night and day. I couldn't get away. Brian, thank you so much for gifting us up to days. Reach out a hand and touch your face. You're slowly disappearing from my view, appearing from my view. Reached out a hand to try again. I'm floating in a beam of light with you, a beam of light with you. And I ran so far away. I just ran, I ran all night and day. And I ran so far away. I just ran, I couldn't get away. And I ran so far away. I just ran, I ran all night and day. I couldn't get away. That one's so good. What a good song. Everyone was really feeling that one too. What a classic. You know, my a place that I heard that song, it actually plays if you've ever been to Disney World. In Epcot, they have a Guardians of the Galaxy roller coaster. And the roller coaster, because music is such an integral part of the Guardians of the Galaxy series, the roller coaster actually has a playlist. It will play one of like 6 random songs when you get on the coaster. And the first time I ever went on that coaster, that was the song that played. And let me tell you, that is a very good song to be riding a roller coaster on. It's perfect. It's perfect for roller coaster. Truly nothing could be better than that one. All right. In that same vein, I feel like this is the perfect choice. Also, some of these karaoke channels, very interesting graphics. Welcome in, Mysteria! But we still have a hype train going? That's crazy. Wait, thanks, guys. Oh my god, the emotes are very funny. I love that one that's they ate. They ate! Okay. I sing this song all the time in the kitchen. Starry nights, sunny days, I always thought that love should be that way. Then comes a time that you're ridden with doubts. You've loved all you can and now you're all loved out. Ooh, ooh, baby, we've been a long, long way. And who's to say where we'll be tomorrow? Well, my heart says no, but my mind says it's so. That we've got a love, is it a love to stay? We've got a wham, bam, shang-a-lang, and a sha-la-la-la-la-la thing. Wham, bam, shang-a-lang, and a sha-la-la-la-la-la thing. Looking at you, I wanted to say, I think a little emotion goes a long, long way. Careful now, don't get caught in your dreams. Look out, baby, this is not what it seems. Ooh, ooh, baby, you've been so good to me. But please don't make it what it's not. Well, I thought we agreed on what we need. So listen to me, I'll tell you what we've got. We've got a wham, bam, shang-a-lang, and a sha-la-la-la-la-la thing. Wham, bam, you're seeing what I've been saying, 'cause I hear you singing to the tune I'm playing. Now that it's said and we both understand, let's say our goodbyes before it gets out of hand. Bye, bye, baby, I'd really like to stay, but we'll remember the best time in our lives. We had a wham, bam, shang-a-lang, and a sha-la-la-la-la-la thing. Wham, bam, shang-a-lang, and a sha-la-la-la-la-la thing. Wham, bam, shang-a-lang, and a sha-la-la-la-la-la thing. Wham, bam. That's another one off the Guardian soundtrack. What a hit! What a hit! Slay, go slay. Thank you! Thank you! Thanks, everybody. You're all so sweet today. Let me hydrate. Let me rehydrate, and we'll sing a funny song. If you're frequent on the stream, you may have heard me sing this one before, rather recently. Dance? Yeah. We're dancing. Was anybody here when I sang this? It was in a slightly different style. I was tired of my lady. We've been together too long. Like a worn out recording of a favorite song. So while she lay there sleeping, I read the paper in bed. And in the personal columns, there was this letter I read. If you like pina coladas and getting caught in the rain, if you're not into yoga, if you have half a brain, if you like making love at midnight in the dunes of the Cape, then I'm the love that you've looked for. Write to me and escape. I feel like it's obvious the kind of music I listen to outside of stream. I didn't think about my lady. I know that sounds kind of mean, but me and my old lady had fallen into the same old dull routine. So I wrote to the paper, took out a personal ad. And though I'm nobody's poet, I thought it wasn't half bad. Yes, I like pina coladas and getting caught in the rain. I'm not much into health food. I am into champagne. I've got to meet you by tomorrow noon and cut this red tape at a bar called O'Malley's, where we'll plan our escape. You can get a virgin pina colada, they're delicious. So I waited with high hopes, then she walked in the place. I knew her smile in an instant. I knew the curve of her face. It was my own lovely lady. And she said, "Oh, it's you." And we laughed for a moment. And I said, "I never knew that you like pina coladas and getting caught in the rain and the feel of the ocean and the taste of champagne. If you like making love at midnight in the dunes of the Cape, you're the lady I've looked for. Come with me and escape. Kind of a weird situation, don't you think? If you like pina coladas and getting caught in the rain, if you're not into yoga, if you have half a brain, if you like making love at midnight in the dunes of the Cape, now the love that you look for, come with me and escape. If that happened to me, I'd be pissed, quite frankly. I think I would have left. At myself and at him. Like, why are we both taking out personal ads? Talk to each other. Go to therapy. You can do all that stuff, just like, what? I have more songs than I have time, I think. That's the first time I've actually read the lyrics. It's crazy, isn't it? It's nuts. Hi, next out. Welcome. I'm not sure that anyone knows this song other than me, but I'm going to sing it anyways. I'm saving the super difficult songs for the end of this stream. All right. We go again. Sun's up too soon like daylight savings. Mixed emotions are congregating. Picturing us in all these places. Ahead of myself's an understatement. Sky looks so purple I can taste it. Couple days and I call you baby. 3 stories up here contemplating, but what the fuck is patience? These are fast times and fast nights, yeah. No time for rewrites, we couldn't help it. Outlines on bedsides, yeah. Give me a second to forget I ever really meant it. Fast times and fast nights, yeah. Closed eyes and closed blinds, we couldn't help it. Outlines on bedsides, yeah. Give me a second to forget I ever really meant it. My feelings used to be serrated, but you speak in such a perfect cadence. Tiptoeing past so many stages. What the fuck is patience? These are fast times and fast nights, yeah. No time for rewrites, we couldn't help it. Outlines on bedsides, yeah. Give me a second to forget I ever really meant it. Fast times and fast nights, yeah. Closed eyes and closed blinds, we couldn't help it. Outlines on bedsides, yeah. Give me a second to Song is a lot harder to sing than I thought it was for karaoke. I sing it all the time while I'm cooking, but like, what? I am no Sabrina. That one was really popular like a zillion years ago. Here's another one that I think you guys know. If you don't know that pop song, maybe we need to go a little further back. It's gonna be me. Ooh, yeah. You might have been hurt, babe, but that ain't no lie. You've seen them all come and go. Oh, I remember you told me that it made you believe in no man, no cry. Maybe that's why every little thing I do never seems enough for you. You don't wanna lose it again, but I'm not like them. Baby, when you finally get to love somebody, guess what? It's gonna be me. You've got no choice, babe, but to move on. You know there ain't no time to waste. You're too blind to see, but in the end you know it's gonna be me. You can't deny, so just tell me why every little thing I do never seems enough for you. You don't wanna lose it again, but I'm not like them. Baby, when you finally get to love somebody, guess what? It's gonna be me. It's gonna be me. Ooh, yeah. I don't remember how this part goes. How does the bridge go? You'll see. It's gonna be me. All that I do is not enough for you. I don't wanna lose it, but I'm not like that. When finally you get to love, guess what? Every little thing I do never seems enough for you. You'll lose it again, but I'm not like them. Baby, when you finally get to love somebody, guess what? It's gonna be me. I do, never seems enough for you. You don't wanna lose it again. I'm not like them. Baby, when you finally get to love somebody, guess what? It's gonna be me. Why did they have to do the lyrics like that? I loved the video for that one because it felt like a real karaoke video, but like, why did they do the lyrics like that? I got so lost because there's 5 boys singing and only one elf that's available to do all the lyrics. The struggle. The struggle. Could have been your backup. I know, I was pretending that all of you guys are singing with me. Oh, these songs were written by foreigners, so lyrics got lost in translation. I think I sang this one last time, but I wanted to show you guys this image. This image that's at the start of this karaoke. Let's go sing songs. Let's go. my last karaoke stream? I don't remember because it was unarchived. I know you guys know this one. I was so high, I did not recognize the fire burning in her eyes, the chaos that controlled my mind. Whispered goodbye and she got on a plane, never to return again, but always in my heart. Oh, this love has taken its toll on me. She said goodbye too many times before. Her heart is breaking in front of me, and I have no choice, 'cause I won't say goodbye anymore. Whoa, 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 whoa. I tried my best to feed her appetite, keep her coming every night, so hard to keep her satisfied. Oh, kept playing love like it was just a game, pretending to feel the same, then turn around and leave again. But oh, this love has taken its toll on me. She said goodbye too many times before. Her heart is breaking in front of me, and I have no choice, 'cause I won't say goodbye. Broken wings and make sure everything's alright. My pressure on your hips, sinking my fingertips, every inch of you, because I know that's what you want me to do. This love has taken its toll on me. She said goodbye too many times before. Her heart is breaking in front of me, and I have no choice, 'cause I won't say goodbye anymore. This love has taken its toll on me. She said goodbye too many times before, and my heart is breaking in front of me. She said goodbye too many times before. Toll on me. She said goodbye too many times before. Her heart is breaking in front of me, and I have no choice, 'cause I won't say goodbye anymore. Thank you! Everybody knew that one. I believed in you. I believed in you to have musical knowledge. I'd love to hear you sing Michael Jackson and the Backstreet Boys. Not happening, unfortunately. Maybe next time. I need to practice. I don't know very many Backstreet Boys songs because I was an NSYNC girly. And quite frankly, I don't think I can hit MJ's legendary high notes. But I can practice. Some Squirrel, thank you so much for the follow. I can't believe we're getting follows during this stream. Are you guys in the right place? All right, we've got a couple songs left, just a couple, and I have no idea what order to sing them in, because it's kind of a weird selection. So I think we'll sing this one next because it kind of pairs nicely with this past song. It is all about fun, and you know what, guys? I'm having fun. I made you pay channel points for this, but I'm having fun. Hang on, I'm gonna make sure that the ads are snoozed so it doesn't get caught. I know, where'd the time go? It's crazy. Normally I would have stopped, but I have 4 songs left and I just want to finish it out. After this, you guys, we're going to be playing more Nier. I'd love to have you stick around. We are going to meet a new character that I absolutely love, so I'd love for you to hang out with us afterwards, but we still got some songs. So why don't we sing some more? Here, let me ditch the hat so you can see my ears. All right. This next song is like, I think everyone has sang this song. If you had a copy of Rock Bands, you know. You sit there in your heartache, waiting on some beautiful boy to save you from your old ways. You play forgiveness, watching now, here he comes. He doesn't look a thing like Jesus, but he talks like a gentleman, like you imagined when you were young. Can we climb this mountain? I don't know. Higher now than ever before. I know we can make it if we take it slow. Let's take it easy, easy now. Watch it go. We're burning down the highway skyline on the back of a hurricane that started turning when you were young. When you were young. Sometimes you close your eyes and see the place where you used to live when you were young. They say the devil's water, it ain't so sweet. You don't have to drink right now, but you can dip your feet every once in a little while. Yeah. So there in your heartache, waiting on some beautiful boy to just save you from your old ways. You play forgiveness, watch it now, here he comes. He doesn't look a thing like Jesus, but he talks like a gentleman, like you imagined when you were young. Talks like a gentleman, like you imagined when you were young. I said he doesn't look a thing like Jesus. He doesn't look a thing like Jesus. More than you'll ever know. That was so fun! I was teleported to being a child in my living room. That one's on Rock Band, isn't it? I am remembering that correctly. I couldn't remember what song. I think it's from Rock Band, like the original first Rock Band that like everybody had. I'm getting so anxious because I only have one more ad snooze left. I'm concerned that it's gonna go off while I'm singing a good song. All right, we've got one more goofy song and then I sing the two scary songs, okay? I've got two songs here that are a little bit further out of my range, but I want to sing seriously. Some of these songs have been out of my range, but I get to sing them unseriously. This is not one of those songs. This song is just for fun. Yippee! Nibbling on sponge cake, watching the sun bake. All of those tourists covered with oil, strumming my six string on my front porch swing. Smell those shrimp, they're beginning to boil. Wasting away again in Margaritaville, searching for my lost shaker of salt. Some people claim that there's a woman to blame, but I know it's nobody's fault. I don't know the reason. Stayed here all season. Nothing to show but this brand new tattoo. But it's a real beauty, a Mexican cutie. How it got here, I haven't a clue. Wasting away again in Margaritaville, searching for my lost shaker of salt. Some people claim that there's a woman to blame. Now I think, hell, it could be my fault. I blew out my flip-flop, stepped on a pop-top, cut my heel, had to cruise on back home. But there's booze in the blender, and soon it will render that frozen concoction that helps me hang on. Wasting away again in Margaritaville, searching for my lost shaker of salt. Salt, salt, salt. Some people claim that there's a woman to blame, and I know it's definitely Chat's fault. It's not my fault. It's your fault. Oh my God. I unironically love going to Margaritaville restaurant. I love going there, okay? I'm excited. I'm going on vacation later this year, and I get the opportunity to go to one of the good Margaritaville restaurants. Yes. Guys, I drank too much water. I really gotta pee. Can we run ads really quick and then I come back and sing 2 songs for you? They're really long songs. Does that make it up? It's always chat. Oh, I love you guys. You know I love you guys. All right. I'll be right back. We're gonna run the ads so you don't miss these songs. All right. I'll be right back, I promise. I'm not skipping out on these last 2 because they're my favorites. They're my very favorites. They're gonna be very funny. All right. I'll see you in 3. everyone. We're back for our grand finale, and I've had a little bit of a costume change. Should we just get into it? Whenever I see someone less fortunate than I, and let's face it, who isn't less fortunate than I, my tender heart tends to start to bleed. And when someone needs a makeover, I simply have to take over. I know exactly what they need. And even in your case, though it's the toughest case I've yet to face, don't worry, I'm determined to succeed. Follow my lead, and yes, indeed, you will be popular. You're gonna be popular. I'll teach you the proper poise when you talk to boys. Little ways to flirt and flounce. Ooh, I'll show you what shoes to wear, how to fix your hair, everything that really counts to be popular. I'll help you be popular. You'll hang with the right cohorts. You'll be good at sports. Know the slang you've got to know. So let's start, 'cause you've got an awfully long way to go. Don't be offended by my frank analysis. Think of it as personality dialysis. Now that I've chosen to become a palace sister and advisor, there's nobody wiser, not when it comes to popular. I know about popular, and with an assist from me to be who you'll be, instead of dreary who you were, well are. There's nothing that can stop you from becoming popular. Lar. La, 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 la. I'm gonna make you popular. When I see depressing creatures with unprepossessing features, I remind them on their own behalf to think of celebrated heads of state or especially great communicators. Did they have brains or knowledge? Don't make me laugh. They were popular. Please, it's all about popular. It's not about aptitude, it's the way you're viewed. So it's very sure to be very, very popular, like me. Why, Miss Elphaba, look at you. You're beautiful. You're welcome. And though you protest your disinterest, I know clandestinely you're gonna grin and bear it, your newfound popularity. La, 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 la. You'll be popular, just not quite as popular as me. Oh my god, it was a lot harder to sing than I thought. I am a Glinda, but I have an Elphaba range. It's completely the wrong. Thank you, everybody. Now that I've concluded playing the part of Glinda, we can take this wig off. All right. I've got one more costume change, so if you'll give me just a moment. If you'll give me, just a moment. Just a second. No Blondie, though maybe I can do what Essie was doing the other day and be tan and blonde. All right, I've got my costume change ready. I'm ready for my finale. I'm ready for my I'm green like Elphaba, but unfortunately I have elf ears and a small fang, so I've been goblinified. I didn't realize until I was working on it that this just turns me into a goblin. My bad. Anyways, I will sing my very favorite song off the Wicked soundtrack. I think that I am actually good at singing this song. We'll see if that actually proves to be true. But I sing this song probably every day. Upgrades, people, upgrades. Are you saying when I turn this off, it's gonna be a downgrade? Nodders, thank you for the follow. All right. I will be singing both the parts of Madame Morrible and Elphaba for this last and final song of the karaoke stream. Please enjoy my favorite song from the Wicked soundtrack. Oh, Miss Elphaba, many years I have waited for a gift like yours to appear. Why predict the wizard might make you his magic grand vizier? My dear, I'll write at once to the wizard. Tell him of you in advance. With a talent like yours, dear, there is a definite chance. If you work as you should, you'll be making good. Welcome to Shiz. Did that really just happen? Have I actually understood? This weird quirk I've tried to suppress or hide is a talent that could help me meet the wizard if I make good. So I'll make good. When I meet the wizard, once I prove my worth, and then I meet the wizard, what I've waited for since birth. And with all his wizard wisdom, by my looks, he won't be blinded. Do you think the wizard is dumb? Or like Munchkin, so small-minded? No, he'll say to me, I see who you truly are, a girl on whom I can rely. And that's how we'll begin, the wizard and I. Once I'm with the wizard, my whole life will change. 'Cause once you're with the wizard, no one thinks you're strange. No father is not proud of you, no sister acts ashamed, and all of us has to love you when by the wizard you're acclaimed. And this gift or this curse I have inside, maybe at last I'll know why, when we are hand in hand, the wizard and I. And one day he'll say to me, Elphaba, a girl who is so superior, shouldn't a girl who's so good inside have a matching exterior? And since folks here to an absurd degree seem fixated on your verdigris, would it be alright by you if I degreenify you? No, of course that's not important to me. Alright, why not? I'll reply. Oh, what a pair we'll be, the wizard and I. Yes, what a pair we'll be, the wizard and My future is unlimited, and I've just had a vision almost like a prophecy. I know, sounds truly crazy, and true, the vision's hazy, but I swear someday there'll be a celebration throughout Oz that's all to do with me. And I'll stand there with the wizard, feeling things I've never felt. And though I'd never show it, I'd be so happy I could melt. And so it will be for the rest of my life, and I'll want nothing else till I die, held in such high esteem. When people see me, they will scream for half of Oz's favorite team, the Wizard and I. Thank you! Thank you for coming! Thank you! Fuku, thank you for the 5 gifted! Thank you, everyone! Ugh, it was all the warm-up for that one song. It was all the warm-up for that one song. Thank you so much, everybody. I really appreciate you coming to the karaoke stream. This is definitely not my normal content, but I love to reward you guys with a little treat every so often for your hard work and being such a good community. I don't know. I really appreciate you guys, and I just. I don't know, I want us to keep having lots and lots of fun together, so this is the perfect way to celebrate everything that we have accomplished so far, and hopefully we'll have more karaoke again soon. Maybe I'll do a reprise on The Wizard and I. It is truly one of my favorite songs of all time. I love it so much. But we are gonna switch over to Nier. Thank you so much for coming to karaoke. I would love for you to stick around for gaming. I know, I'm so sorry, Kitty. I have great news, though. If you're just tuning in, or if you missed the beginning or any part of the stream, I will be archiving this karaoke on my YouTube channel. The VOD will not be available on Twitch, but I will have it uploaded to YouTube later tonight after my stream fully ends. So don't worry. You can watch it again. I'll make sure that it's posted on Twitter and my Discord, so anybody that missed it can watch and listen to me sing. And if I do not know whether or not I will listen to this one back, quite frankly. I'm not so sure that I'll give this one a listen before it gets uploaded. We'll just see how it goes. But thank you all again for coming to karaoke. We're gonna switch to Nier. I'm going to be cutting the VOD, so I will briefly end stream while I'm in my Be Right Back, getting everything set up. Don't worry, you just need to refresh the stream, and you get a bonus treat from today if you are here for both karaoke and for Nier. Thank you guys so much. 10 out of 10? That is not true. Thank you. Thank you so much, everybody, for all the gifted subs and the follows. I literally, I'm shook. I'm shooketh that you guys were so generous while I was singing so mediocre. Yeah, we'll do it again. We'll do it again. Honestly, like the first couple songs, I'm always so shaky and like a wreck. But then by the end, I'm just like belting it out and having so much fun. And I've got so much adrenaline pumping through me. Hopefully Nier won't be too depressing after all of that. Oh, one more thing before I go. I wanted you to know that this green Elphaba makeup is going to be a toggle. I have not gotten it set up, but for next stream, starting next stream, I will have a new channel points redeem where you can redeem channel points to turn me green. I could be a forest elf or a goblin or Elphaba. Coffee. So we'll have this toggle available for you guys starting next stream. I hope that you enjoy this little treat. From me to you, I definitely don't mind being green. It's actually quite easy being green. Thank you very much. All right. I'm gonna send you guys to the Be Right Back screen so I can get Nier pulled up, but I wanted to thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you a million times over. I had a blast. We'll be back in about 5 minutes or less. Well, probably less. To start Nier Replicant. We'd love for you to tune in if you haven't been watching our Nier streams. We're gonna be meeting a brand new character today and going into Spooky Mansion. Yippee! All right. Thank you guys for coming to karaoke. Thank you. Stay tuned. Stick around for Nier. Don't move. Hold that line. Stream is always on time. You didn't hear it from me.